Wow, I can't believe we're here. Here being round 4 of these never-ending but very gratifying grammar game shows. We know you love them, which is why we're back, quizzing these contestants, because what's more fun than hearing other people mess up grammar rules? Nothing. Let's jump right in, shall we? Question 1. When listing a date range, what kind of dash should you use? For example, January 4th to February 4th. Give me your best guess.
In dash.
I didn't know that there were different kinds of dashes.
In a date range like January 4th to February 4th, you would use an end dash. An end dash is slightly longer than a regular dash or hyphen, but shorter than an em dash. An end dash is used for a range or to connect the endpoints of a root. It can also show a contrast or connection between two words. Or you can use it to replace the words to, and, or versus. All right, question 2. Who versus whom? In this sentence, which should you use? You talked to blank? Who or whom? What do you think? What do you think?
Whom?
Who?
In the sentence, you talked to blank. Whom is the correct choice? Now, quick tip, if you can substitute him or her, then whom is the right choice. If he or she makes more sense, go with who. Okay, last question, and it's a tough one. Question 3. What is the correct term for this type of phrase? To quickly read. What do we think?
To skim?
Wait, what?
That was close, but no, that's just wrong. Wrong. The term for the phrase to quickly read is a split infinitive. A split infinitive occurs when there's an adverb between two parts of an infinitive. Now, an infinitive consists of the word to and the simple form of a verb, e.g., to go and to read. It's over, y'all. It's over. You did great.